If you're experiencing issues like the Instagram app is not opening, videos not playing, messages won't load, you're having login issues, before freaking out and going for further troubleshoot, now here's how to check Instagram's current server status. To check the server condition, open up any browser and search for Instagram server status. Just open up the first server status link that comes up in your search. You can scroll down, and if there's multiple huge spikes in the outage reports, you will have to just wait till the server gets back to normal again. Now, if you keep scrolling down, you can find the Instagram categories that had faced most of the issues. Also, if you tap on the map section, you'll see which location had most of the issues. And if you want to submit a complaint yourself, go back and from this first page, see if the category is listed in here or not. Like you're facing problem with app, login issues or website, or tap on something else. And from these issues listed in here, just tap on the category to submit your report or complaint. And that's how you can check Instagram current server status whenever you face any problem. Thanks for watching.